Good morning, day 23. Here we go, getting ready. Need to pack it. Just manage a video, almost finalized, of day 21. Need to go to catch a Wi-Fi to load it, and need to start my day. My camping. Looks like that. Here we go, where we are. Awesome place, but weather is terrible, like all the time. Ooh, a bit cold, so get my hat on, get warm clothes. So yeah, I need to prepare. Let me go. Let's go. So getting back on the packs. Today gonna go to Bilbao way, but probably we'll follow the coastline, so we'll leave Bilbao on the side, because I hear there is as well big city, but nothing much interested. Rather choose coastline to see the beauty of this. Bicycle ready, all packed. It was a bit spending time on it, but it's okay. So we're going now to that city, Loredo, to see small town, to make a coffee, breakfast, and we'll continue to seacoast till Bilbao today. Yep, let's do it. A little juice. Stop at the market. Bought some tuna, spaghetti. We'll make a sandwich on the way. It's much cheaper than buying coffees. Hola. That's the road. Oh, walking here. Hey. Готово. Get to do training exercises. Can't make it. I'm full loaded. Just put 2 liters of water. Laredo. Where do you start?
In Bayona.
I don't know where it is.
South of France.
South of France, okay. Nice, nice.
Where did you go?
Back to my country.
Yeah, but where are you?
Go Velo 1 route, later France, then Belgium, Germany, Poland, Lithuania.
Ah.
It'll take a little bit time.
For long?
3 months about.
3 months.
Yeah. Nice.
Only 1 week for us.
Okay. I did before only 2 weeks. This is my longest journey at the moment. Well, I'm do stop sometimes, resting, like, you know.
Do stuff sometimes, yeah.
Yeah, like 1 or 2 times a week to rest a little bit, muscles and everything, to charge it, to wash clothes and everything.
Always solo?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, the best. Don't need to wait anyone. You can decide some routes different way, like, you know.
Yeah.
I do wild camping, so just we can get some bushes or some forest.
Okay.
It's nice. Filming, video editing as well, video vlogging. So
Yeah?
yeah. Oh, fishes.
And today where are you going to?
Bilbao.
Bilbao?
Bilbao.
Bilbao?
Yeah. We'll stop there a little bit as well. Maybe day off. I'm planning to do day off, but just keep pedaling. Can't stop it. Yeah. Cool. Alright, enjoy.
Enjoy.
You too.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. Windy today again. Go to cafe, charge a little bit, continue. Didn't stop for long. Our boats. Villa Mirenara. We're going to the tunnel. Let's see how it goes. Not long one. Nice. Lights here. There'll be the lights. Ocean, under the ocean. And behave. Okay. Nice. So green tea, charging stuff, and finalizing my video. Soon will pop up day 21. Gills after gills, every day. Nothing special, nothing new. Moving. First gill. Let's get on the top. Ooh. Straight on another one. Oh, yeah. Legs tired. Might be stopped in Bilbao or city nearby for rest. This is gonna be around 1.5 thousand kilometers when I reach that destination. It was only 2 days off on all journey. Need them more. Couple kilometers downhill. Woo! What a views here. Wow. Amazing. Going up and up. Don't need GPS. This road will take me where I need to. So I'm going. So came to find the treasure, but wrong turn. It was a bit further. So now going here on this pathway, crazy. Oh yeah. Very steep hill, and I hope there will be somewhere to go out from here, because otherwise need to come back. I don't want it. Oh yeah. Get out of the road and straight away in troubles. Terrible. There is no way out. I'm not gonna go back. You need to go through these bushes and all this shit up to the road where it's not allowed to go on bicycle. But it's just a couple 100 meters to get out of this road, so we'll try to manage. Terrible situations. Sometimes getting in troubles like this. Oh my god. Get in trouble all the time. Ziggy can't make it nicely. Need to go some fucking wrong ways. Climb this fence illegally. So here we go, need to go here now a little bit, and we'll get back on my route. Amazing. Wow. Oh yeah. So back on the right route. Now we're gonna go again like this. Another lesson after lessons, troubles after troubles. Get to the point where I want to go. No way. Okay, let's go on our route now. I hate when I make a decision on fucking problems. Hate it. Thank you, Sani. Bit bad mood, maybe because of wrong turns, maybe because it's not planned was not planned. A bit angry on myself. Don't like it. Hopefully we'll get better soon. Just keep pushing, keep moving, Ziggy. So yeah. City, Castro Urdiales. Let's taste the doner kebab. Barordua. Rain coming. It says 4 o'clock. The rain. So I need to find a cafe. I need to load the video finally. Didn't find any good spot. Everywhere a lot of people. And we try to talk in Espanol. Can't make it. I don't like the mood and later. Everyone's celebrating Easter. So long weekend. Good Friday, Saturday, now tomorrow Easter, and so on. So it's people everywhere. As I see. Okay. Time to get the box. Oh, I didn't expect that. Crazy. Can I get some quiet somewhere, please? Not possible. Fine. Everybody watching. Look at that. Mistérios. Oh, man. Kaip tieškia banga. Kaip tieškia bangelė. Čia va. Tik tai per šoną. Aptaškė man visą droną. Pribėgo vandens belenkiek. Žiūr. Unexpected. Nu va, turi nesisergi, turim. Amazing. Anyway, catch some drone footage. Perfect place. A bit windy, but did it nicely. Statula be rankos. stop.
Good legs.
Good legs.
Good
Yeah.
legs
Okay.
y good mind.
Bueno, hay que
Vale.
ver el vídeo.
Okay. YouTube on video. Yes.
¡Vamos, carajo! ¡Muchacho! Ahora no evolucionar.
Tengo que verlo en YouTube. Estamos.
Yeah, so nice people.
La tercera.
Yeah. There's my sponsors. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for the beer.
Buen viaje. Very, no,
Yeah.
look,
Go in Bilbao today.
Good luck.
Bilbao.
Bilbao, now, Bilbao.
Yeah, Bilbao today. Yeah, the
One-
3 hours, 3 hours.
Yeah.
Cyclist going.
Good legs.
Good legs.
Dos días.
Good legs.
Good legs, good legs.
All right, thank you.
There you
Cheers,
go.
guys. Thank you. Pleasure. Yes, my new followers. So, get free beer, free drink. Yeah. Yes. Here's the tunnel. Prie tunelio įvažiavimo nutopilo.
Nes man atrodo, ten kitoks tunelys. Lauk, reikia pasižiūrėti podcast. Čia kaip čia.
Bus kur tu pažymėjai, čia ir bus tipo paslėpta?
Jo.
A, nu tai gerai, tai važiuoju, gal bus antras tunelis. Čia ne vienas kalnas, matai. So tunnel saves me a lot of energy. Not to go around or climb all the hill up. There is somewhere here treasure. I can't find it. Might be here. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, let's check it. So what we got here?
Aš jau laukiu, kada tu Prancūziją pasieksi ir Prancūziją suveniriuką gauti. Užlobit.
We got mini stone, some plastic
Petas.
whistle. Okay. Nu tai va, radau švilpuką. That was easy treasure on the way. Just here. Anyone who will go this tunnel can find it as well. Really woman, walking down the street, really woman, never see, really woman. Yes, live music. Rain is coming here, really woman. I need to camp again, really woman. Yeah! Yeah, užkabino dainą. 6:30. Važiuojam ieškoti camping spoto. Šiandien Bilbao nepasieksim. Bet nėra to blogo, kas neišeitų į gerą. So I drink today 3 beers. Not the best to go on it, but not far. Just a couple kilometers, 7-8 kilometers to some spot where I can find a wild camping spot. So going, pushing forward now. Little hill. Amazing here. landscapes. Amazing, amazing Spain. Whew. Last one for today. Maybe we'll find some spot up there, maybe not, maybe going forward. Just now checking the places around. If I see something nice, we'll stop. Whew. Going still up, a little bit more, a little bit. God, it's still going. Big corners, climbing up. Here's the Camino Traveler. Gonna go Camino del Norte. Yeah. Yeah, man, good. Don't speak in Espanol, I don't know what to say. Something good. Anyway. And here is the top. It's 10 degrees down. Ooh. We'll go back to the actually to the beach side. So yeah. Yahoo! So I was there, now I'm here, going to seaside. Looking for camping spots, 7 o'clock. Point of view here. Oh my god, amazing. Ooh. Yay! Atlantic Ocean. My camping spot somewhere here. Smells like piss. But I'm thinking to make it camping here, just on the side somewhere. Looking for a good spot now. Okay. It's gonna be the best spot on this journey so far. I forgot only water to take, but anyway, just till morning we'll survive. Yes! So my camping spot is over here. You'll see how it looks like. Amazing. And I found some hole in here. Wow. Here's the view. It's a little bit scary hole. Don't like it here. Smelly shit. What a spot for camping. My guys, day 23 is finishing, and it was the, the best end of the day. It was very sad in the morning, but in the end, wow, just look at that where I am. We'll put a tent here on the top, and it's gonna be brilliant. Drying up a little bit my stuff. Today get little splash from the seaside. Yay! Almost finished. Little bit windy, not much. Let's get inside and finish my day. Yay! 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 Woo! 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 That's wild camping, I'm saying. That's the wild camping. That's the wild camping. Yes. Yeah. It's not only the first evening and spending the good night. It's gonna be even more beautiful places where you can camp. But you need to be careful of restrictions, because it's not probably so legal, but this is the best way to spend your camping. Don't forget to like my post, subscribe, put some stars. It's gonna sponsor me on my trip. And yeah, so finished. Tomorrow, day 24. Looking forward to reach next seaside cities. We'll see where I'm gonna go next. Let's see tomorrow. Peace.